Welcome to Sign Up Simple and my GetResponse tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial, we will be covering everything you need to know to get started with GetResponse. The goal is, at the end of this tutorial, you will be comfortable with setting up your dashboard, creating lists, manually creating a contact, creating custom fields for contacts, importing contacts, creating templates, creating an autoresponder, creating a landing page, creating a newsletter, linking subdomain to landing page, and setting up email forwarding. There are 12 videos in this GetResponse tutorial. I have left links in the description for you to review. Let's get started. The first step is to click the link provided in the description to sign up. Or if you are watching on a mobile phone, then go to your browser and type getresponse.signupsimple.com. This link is my referral link that is always tied to the current specials and discounts that are currently being offered by GetResponse, so you can get the best deals that are currently available. After clicking the link, you will be directed to the homepage. You will be signing up for the free plan. Also note that you are not required to enter your credit card information. GetResponse also allows you to use all of its features for 30 days under the free plan, after which the paid features are disabled. Enter your email, click Create Free Account, enter your full name and a password, and click Create Account. This is going to direct you to the dashboard. It is telling us to check our email, so let's do that to activate the account. I am going to click Activate My Account. You are going to be redirected to GetResponse, where we are shown a form. The company name as well as the phone is not required, so we are going to be entering the address and clicking the Next Step button. You are redirected to the dashboard. Click I prefer to explore on my own. And that's it, guys. You have successfully signed up. Please note that you have access to all of GetResponse's features for the next 30 days. And also, you should be seeing the next video in the series pop up now. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.